Hello Android developers. Are you tired of copy pasting repetitive code from Google and your old projects? The fact is, we have to do this donkey work in almost every project. It consumes our precious time and effort. Well, Android Studio has a great solution for us in the form of live templates. Let me show you how I benefit from them in my day-to-day work, and then I will teach you how to create your own reusable snippets. So watch this video till the end if you really want to increase your coding speed and make more apps in less time.
Now let's create our first live template. Let's say I want to create live template of this function which I can reuse. I will go to File, Settings, Editor, Live Templates. Here I will select User. At the top right corner you can see plus button. Press it and select Live Template. You can see three input fields. In the first input field you need to give hint. Let's say I want to give hint phone call. Description field you can skip. Here I will paste the code. To format it I will select Ctrl A to select whole code and press Shift Tab. One last thing I need to do is press this define button, and here I need to select the file in which I have to use this code. So I will select Java. Just need to press apply and OK button. My live template is ready. I can test now. Type phone call and you can see drop down. I select it and press enter. Now let's say I want to create a live template with some user input. Here I'm creating a live template for simple date format, and here I want user input. To do that I need to create a variable here, a live template variable. To create it, type $sign two times, and within these $signs give this variable any name. Let's say I give v. Now I need to define the file format where I want to use it. It's definitely Java. Apply and OK. Now to test it, if I type sdf, and you can see template is ready. I press enter. The cursor is automatically moved to the position where I can give the value. Let's say dd mm y. Now let's say I want this value as a default value for this live template. To open the settings, one quick shortcut is Alt Control S, and it quickly opens the window. So here I need to modify set default value of this variable. To do that I will press edit variables, and here I can see my variable, and here I can set its default value. I need to type default value within double quotes. Let's say ddmm y, and I press OK. I need to apply and press OK. Now if I remove it and type sdf again, here I can see the default value. If this default value is okay for me, I will just press enter and it's done. Now if you want to create a live template where user type value at one place and the same value automatically reflects on multiple places, Let me show a demo of some similar template. If I press enter, you can see it has generated 4 lines, and if I type value, let's say 20 dp, you can see type value here, and it was automatically reflected on other places. Now how to do that? Now this is the live template which I recently used, and these are the 4 lines which were generated. All of them are using same variable. This is the key, because when user will type value here, the value of same variable will automatically reflect on other places. So this is how you can create such templates. I hope you guys will love to use live templates from now onwards. See you guys in the next lecture.